Hello everyone, welcome to Amuda Academy. So in the previous video, we have seen a question regarding the issue of debentures considering terms of redemption. Right, in this video, we're gonna see another question with different points. Right, so this will be more interesting rather than previous one. Let us see. Right, now the first point is issue of 1 lakh worth of debentures, 10% debentures of 100 each at a discount of 10% and redeemable at par. So they are issuing a discount and redeeming at par. Let us see. The first one, face value is 1 lakh, right? The first thing is 1 lakh and they are issuing at a discount of 10%, issue at 1 lakh rupees, which means minus 10%. They are issuing at 90,000. Correct. Right. Okay. Redemption at par. Correct. So let me see it once. Yeah. Redemption at par, which means people will pay us 90,000 at the time of repayment. We need to give them 1 lakh rupees. So let us journalize this thing. So you have seen in the previous video. So the first entry will be obviously bank account entry because we will receive the money from debenture holders. So bank account will get debited. For how much we will debit? For issue amount, that is 90,000. That amount only we will receive in the bank account. Two, we will create a temporary account. So debenture application and allotment account. Correct. So later we will transfer to debenture account by debiting this. So let us debit that debenture application and allotment account will get debited for 90,000. Here bank is debit for, so debit because asset is increasing and liability increasing because we are crediting it. So if you know the modern rules, that will be much better. Let me write it. If asset increases, we will debit. If asset decreases, we will credit. If liability increases, we will credit, and liability decreases, we will debit. If income increases, we will credit, and if expenses and losses increases, we will debit. So this is the modern rule for the journal entries. If you know this, you can do this easily. So right, so we are reversing this because we need to transfer it to debenture account. Now, so we need to redeem at par. So and we also getting 10,000 loss because of issue. Correct, we are giving at a discount. If expenses increase, sorry, expense or loss increase, we will debit it. So discount on issue of debenture account will get debited. For how much? For 10,000, whatever we have given the discount. Right. Now we will transfer it to debenture account. What is the percentage of debenture? It is 10%. You need to write as it is 10% debenture account. So which is face value 1 lakh rupees. Whatever the face value is there, that we will need to transfer to debenture account. The simple thing. The first is over. So if you watch the previous video, this questions will be very easy. So issue 2 lakh rupees for 10% debentures, 100 each at premium. They are issuing at premium of 10% and redeemable at premium of 10%. Issue also premium and redeemable also premium. So let us see how we can generalize. Face value is 2 lakh rupees and issued at a premium. So that is 2 lakh plus 10%. Correct. It is 2 lakh 20,000 and redeemable at premium. That is also premium. That is 2 lakh plus 10%. So same value 2 lakh 20,000, which means we will receive 2 lakh 20,000 from people and we need to pay them back the same amount. That's it, right? So the first entry is same. Bank account will get debited because asset is increasing, money is coming to the bank. For what amount? Whatever issued amount is there, 2,20,000 only we will receive in the bank account along with premium. So to debenture application and allotment account, 2,20,000. This is a temporary account. From this account we need to transfer to original debenture account, that is long term debenture, right? Long term borrowings. Debenture application and allotment account will get debited for this amount, 2,20,000. Now we need to show redemption premium. That is, when you are paying back, we are getting a loss. We are paying extra amount of 20,000, correct? That is a loss for us. And also we need to show it as a premium. So we need to show it as a loss. If we get the loss, we will debit it as per modern rules, and we need to show it as a premium. Along with that, we need to show this premium also. Let us see how we can show. The first thing, loss on issue of debenture. Let me write it. Debenture account will get debited. So how much we are getting loss? 20,000 because of redemption of premium. Correct. Premium on redemption. Correct. 20,000 is the loss. Extra we are paying. That's why. Now, how much we need to transfer to 10% debenture account? Whatever the face value is there, that amount, 2 lakh rupees we need to transfer. Right. Two, we will show security premium on credit side. Obviously, yes. So what is the security premium? That is 20,000 at the time of issue. Right. Yes. And also we need to show premium on redemption. Premium on redemption, we will show it as loss on the debit side, and the same thing we will show it as premium on credit side. Two, premium on redemption of debenture, 20,000. Check it, cross check, check it once. 2,40,000 on debit side, yes, and 2,40,000 on credit side. Both should match. If not, something is wrong, right? So let us move forward and let us see the third one. If you have any doubts, you can ask through comment. So let us move to third one. I think we have done this in the previous, if you have watched previous video, right? Issue 3 lakh 10% debentures of 100 each at a premium of 10%, but redeemable at par. They are issuing at premium and redeemable at par. So let us see that. The third case, face value is 3 lakh and they are issuing at premium, correct? 3 lakh plus 10% is the premium. Let me check it once. Yes, 10% is the premium. So, and redeemable at par. That is 3,30,000. 3,30,000. Redeemable at 3 lakh only. Which means people will pay us 3,30,000, but we need to pay them back 3 lakh rupees. So which means we are getting extra money of 30,000. Correct. So let us see how we can journalize. First entry, obviously same, bank account will get debited for how much? For the issue value, that is 3,30,000 we will receive in the bank account. Two, we'll create a temporary account, that is debenture application and allotment account, 3,30,000. The same we will transfer it to debenture account. For that we will reverse this. Debenture application and allotment account will get debited for 3,30,000. Now we need to transfer it to debenture account and we need to show the premium also. So where premium will come? Obviously credit side. So 10% debenture account. So to this account, how much we need to transfer? The face value, right? The face value. And we will show the security premium 30,000 rupees. Finished. 30,000 is the security premium, right? Yes. Next, fourth one, issue 4 lakh 10% debenture of rupees 100 each at par and redeemable at par. So this fourth one you can do it, I think so, because we have discussed it in a previous video and in the basic videos also. That is very very simple. That is your first case only. So I think you can do it. So not required to solve that. Right. Fine. Kindly note it down. Let me. Third case, second and first and question. That's it for the video. If you have any doubts, you can ask through comment. And thank you for watching. We'll meet in the next video. Bye bye.